Busy evening, work, family, no time to cook, but need to cook dinner fast? Here are 7 30-minute keto-friendly dinners you'll actually look forward to. These 7 keto dinner options are quick, simple, and low-carb, perfect for beginners. Number 1. Grilled salmon herb salad. Bright, fresh, done in minutes. Number 2. Rainbow beef stir-fry. Big flavor, weeknight easy. Number 3. Baked fish with romesco. Restaurant taste, home speed. Number 4. Greek-style eggs. A fast, savory plate. Number 5. Egg pots. Hands-off bake, satisfying. Number 6. Chicken nuggets, almond crust. Crispy, kid-approved. Number 7. Broccoli cheese soup. Cozy and creamy. Every meal focuses on flavor, fullness, and speed. Great for beginners and busy weeknights, without the carb crash. I put together a free recipe guide with 15+ keto-friendly and low-carb recipes. Inside, you'll also see simple and classic favorites that will fit your goals. You'll also get simple ingredient swaps and full shopping lists, so dinner stays quick and on track. Download it now using the link in the description below this video.